That's not bad, right? It's better than this right here. Okay. So I got, sorry if I blind you, but I got this ring light that goes on the front of the camera. And it's too bright. Like when I look into it, it hurts my eyes. So I'm thinking of putting it up here. And you know, I think that's perfect. It's just gonna sit on top of the part that mounted onto the camera. Filming life, y'all, the filming life. What locks this thing? It's just moving up and down freely. It's my shit.
Roscoe, 2 damn phones, Babylons can't crack the code. Used to sip out styrofoam, but figure I should stick to dro.
Kind of feeling like, look at this piece of, what is this? That'll probably make an appearance later on because it's been out like that for like a week now. I don't know about you guys, but this winter weather got me putting lotion on like every 30 minutes. I love how you can just see like my whole setup. I'm still not even ready, like I'm just like getting ready, but I wanted to have like my camera settings. I wanted to have my camera settings ready before I like actually sat down and started the film. I didn't want to seem unorganized, but that's like damn near impossible. And I need some chapstick before somebody tries to roast me. I couldn't find any, but this is some lip gloss from Wet n Wild. 99 cents at Dollar General. Should I bring the hair to the side? Do I look bald? I mainly post, I made this channel so I could post makeup tutorials or like looks, transformations, whatever you want to call it. And then I kind of ventured into like talks about certain subjects. So my platform is just going to be about any and everything that comes to my mind that I feel needs to be discussed, or anything I want to get off my chest or that I feel needs to be addressed will be on this channel. Am I recording? Okay, yeah. Because, you know, sometimes it just, you know, you got to check yourself. So for starters, I would like to say how unprepared I am for this video. My makeup is organized, but I didn't pull anything out. So editing this video is going to be it's gonna be a pain in the butt. Have you guys ever wore American Eagle jeans so much that that little patch on the back comes off? This is new. You guys haven't even seen any of this. Alright, so there's a bookshelf right here, but you can't see it, and I'm kind of glad that it's not in the shot because it got like deodorant, hair products, etc. This right here, I'm like trying to point right. This is my vision board that I wanted to make. My godmom is giving me magazines because she has like a crap ton. So I'm going to get a lot from her. And then I have like this little folded table with that. It's like a giant cup of water, speakers, books that I'm reading, a clock, some pens, headphones, and then we're making our beds in 2018. Then I have like my name right here. D-O-M-I-N-I-Q-U-E. I actually did that when I was in 7th grade, and that's, yeah, I just never took it down because it's cute. And then this right here, it's one of those Bluetooth speakers for the shower, and it stays there. It doesn't stay in the shower. I almost lost the toe because of that. So if you have one of them and you're hanging it in the shower, try to like put it behind you and not in front of you, because once that thing falls, it falls hard. Ow, ta-da, watch out now. It's the little one and it's not Bow Wow. Did anybody peep Chris Brown's album and now he has like 60 songs on there? Does he think he's Beyonce, or... I'm in the house and I'm using this battery pack. Like, why I can't just plug my phone into the wall? I'm complicated. Yeah, I still got stuffed animals. What up? Oh. Lady, how you doing? Hope that you're fine. Wanna know what you got in mind tonight. What the fuck are the words? VIP that got way too crowded. I'm about to end up calling it a night. She said, oh, I'm ready to ride. Yeah, cause once you get inside, you can't change your mind. Don't need to sound impatient, but you gotta promise, baby. Wait, y'all want to know like a banger? I don't even want to say banger, like this is something that you could just be like, but I don't know if you guys listen to Sabrina Claudio.
till I know that it's broken. Tell me you do, tell me you don't, tell me you will, then tell me you won't. Baby.
Hold on, the best part is the chorus. It's coming up.
Tell me you don't, tell me you will, then tell me you won't. Can't take it. Tell me what you want, so I can understand your love. Help me understand your love.
All right, so that's like a little snippet that probably sounded crazy. Like, I don't know what the audio feedback would be like, but that song has been like my jam. Like, I listen to it every day and it literally calms me and relaxes me. If you have Apple Music, then you're so blessed because you get to listen to all these songs unlimited. I don't want to say free because it's like $12 a month, but you get to listen to all these songs and they're unlimited, and as long as you pay your subscription, you're good. You know how Apple is. They take that money right out your account. Don't ask no questions. You just better be having coins in there for them to snatch. This is gonna be a video all in itself. I didn't plan this, guys. I was supposed to be filming. Instead, I'm sipping and listening to Sabrina Claudio, and you know I'm not mad because I just dropped knowledge if you didn't know who that was. Tell me what you want. So I can understand your love. I like how this one light, I have that one ring light that I showed you guys in the beginning. That one ring light is like casting a light on me, and like the background looks amazing because it's actually focused on me. So until I get like an actual room for my filming, this is probably going to be the setup. I don't have enough room behind me to have a backdrop up. Like, my bed is legit right here, like it ends right here, so I would have to literally be this close to the camera in order to have a backdrop, and I'm not comfortable with that. So I'm letting you guys in with seeing what my bedroom looks like. You know, my hair is really short and there's really nothing I can do with it, so now that I'm able to braid it, I'm braiding it. And then I just got a wig in the mail today. It got delivered to my friend's house, but I'm gonna go pick that up later on. So I got this wig. I'm hoping that it is what I expect or better or something that I could love. I used to be really serious about wigs. I want to say like after high school, I didn't really know how to treat my hair. So I just threw on like a lace front, and then that was before like I knew everybody was rocking lace fronts. Then I was like, I've been on the wave. Where were y'all at when I was doing this? Y'all could have helped me pluck it. Like, I didn't even pluck it. I just cut the lace off, threw it on, and called it a day.